Hi. It's time to learn how to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Again. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Practice. 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, 20, 30, 30, 30, 40, 40, 40, 50, 50, 50, 60, 60, 60, 70, 70, 70, 80, 80, 80, 90, 90, 90, 100, 100, 100. Let's review. What number is this? 30. What number is this? 100. What number is this? 10. What number is this? 50. What number is this? 90. What number is this? 70. What number is this? 20. What number is this? 40. What number is this? 60. What number is this? 80. Let's review. Which one is 20? This. Which one is 80? This. Which one is 100? This. Which one is 50? This. Which one is 10? This. Which one is 90? This. Which one is 30? This. Which one is 70? This. Which one is 40? This. Which one is 60? This. Last review. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Additional. How to read these numbers. 20, 1, 21, 20, 2, 22, 20, 3, 23, 20, 4, 24, 20, 5, 25, 20, 6, 26, 20, 7, 27, 20, 8, 28, 20, 9, 29. How to read these numbers. 50, 1, 51, 50, 2, 52, 50, 3, 53, 50, 4, 54, 50, 5, 55, 50, 6, 56, 50, 7, 57, 50, 8, 58, 50, 9, 59. How to read these numbers. 80, 1, 81, 80, 2, 82, 80, 3, 83, 80, 4, 84, 80, 5, 85, 80, 6, 86, 80, 7, 87, 80, 8, 88, 80, 9, 89. How to read these numbers? 100, 1, 101, 100, 2, 102, 100, 3, 103, 100, 4, 104, 100, 5, 105, 100, 6, 106, 100, 7, 107, 100, 8, 108, 100, 9, 109. Let's try this. How do you read this? 90, 3, 93. And this? 60, 2, 62. And this? 70, 8, 78. And this? 40, 5, 45. And this? 100, 30, 3, 133. And this? 100, 40, 2, 142. And this? 200, 50, 8, 258. And, finally, this? 900, 90, 9, 999. Good job!
Bye!